Hi everyone, Richard here. It's a nice day. I'm out at the park again. There's the wetland parks in Putrajaya. You can see there's a tower there. Just to update, this is a very special day because 2 years ago, I had to go to Netherlands in Germany. I was on a trip for my convocation actually. So 2 years ago, I decided, well, since I'm going on a trip, why don't I get a camera and do a vlog when I was on that trip. And I managed to get hold of action cam, and it was my first action cam, which is actually the Icon H5S. It has EIS, and that was the first action cam that I got hold of, that I thought would be great if I use it for traveling. So again, with my Canon G7X, and I went for the trip for my convo. So it was a beautiful trip, but I almost got stranded when I tried and come back. But it was beautiful trip. That was the one who kicked me off to today's 2 years later, and I did my first video upload to YouTube on September after that trip. And September 16 was the day I was still at the trip, and my convocation was September 17. And I uploaded the video that I first shot there, which was the Icon time-lapse and the Note 8 time-lapse. So I was using Note 8, I'm still using Note 8 now. And that's what first got me into creating videos for YouTube. It's actually for my memories. And by luck, I didn't give myself too much pressure because I know it's not easy for me to create YouTube videos and keep on updating them regularly with lots of info. I also don't have great connections to get new products to unbox. I normally get them by online and I unbox it, and it's for my own consumption, and I share it with people. Videos like Mi notebook that I did the battery replacement, I share it, that helped quite a number of people. They love it, and that's what kept me going. So it's been a long road. It's 18 months to take me to reach to 1,000 subs. And because there was no pressure, so I didn't feel that was stressful to be creating content for YouTube. And 18 months, I got my first 1,000 subscribers, thanks to everyone that followed me, and my mumbling that got me to 1,000 subscribers. And I really appreciate all your effort watching my kind of zero topic kind of YouTube. I try my best. It's just that I'm not very good at videos. So from then on, 18 months, and surprisingly, after reading all the horror stories of people not getting monetized by YouTube, they waited months and months for YouTube. I sent in the AdSense account and the Google YouTube account to get monetized. And it was during the COVID lockdown, and everything was locked down recently, 18 months ago. 18 months from the day I started, which is about like since March. And I managed to send the application in. The letter came from YouTube from US in 2 weeks. 2 weeks during the lockdown period. And I was able to monetize the channel. And I greatly appreciate all those who subscribe and who continue watching my unboxing and ramblings. Thanks for all the support. 2 years, long road, September to 2018 to September to 2020. It's been a long journey. I did hundreds of videos. I never thought I would have contents to create actually, because I wasn't expecting that I could buy everything to unbox. There were so many new gadgets, so many places to visit, and so many things to talk about. So 2 years on, and I realized that I am now stuck with lots of unedited videos, some from my trips, locally and abroad, and I'm overwhelmed with too many contents actually. So for those who want to start their YouTube, don't worry about it, because you end up with lots of videos that you won't have time to edit. And it's quite amazing. I was very lucky that some local companies took a look at me. I'm very grateful. Like ASUS assisted me by adding me to their media list. I'm not a media company. I'm just an independent creator. They added me to their media list and have been regularly sending me laptops for review. Even the ROG Phone 2 they sent to me. Hopefully this year I'll get the ROG Phone 3 to play around with. And the laptops that they sent to me are from ROG Zephyrus lines, and I'm really grateful to them. The other one was 70 hmmm from China. They sent me review units, items, free items. I was very grateful for them. They didn't need to send me anything actually. I'm just someone who happens to do this for my experience and to share something. So 70 hmmm has been a great supporter, been responding to me well. I have other brands as well. They have been sending to me and giving me chance to look at their products. Even Comica, the local distributor, Pixel Distribution, sends me their mic, the dual mic, which I'm using now. You can see it. So it's here. Sorry, set my. So it's a dual wireless mic, and it's been great. It's a great mic. I love it, and so it frees me up to walk around without worrying on the connection. And you just have to. People ask me, how come you managed to get all these people to send you stuff? I know it's hard. Not everyone's going to have this kind of opportunity. I can't compete with those people in Hong Kong, US, who are getting unlimited supply of review units from major brands. You just have to try, ask, reach out to them. Just drop them a mail. I don't know any one of these much, but until I asked around and people gave me some contacts and some friends, some contacts again, and I just drop them a mail. Hey, I'm an independent creator. I just would like the chance to try to talk about your product. I don't need to say everything good about the product. I just want to review about the product. And a lot of times, none of them has reviewed or even given me a script on this. I just ramble as much as I want, and that's it. And it's 2 years, and I have tons and tons of unedited videos. So amazing 2 years. I really appreciate everyone's support, and that's it. I hope if those who wants to get on YouTube, do get on. Don't be afraid. You never get the first video right the first time. Even after I reach 100 over videos, I'm still not getting it right. There's never the perfect recording tool, the perfect camera, the perfect audio system, the perfect everything. There's nothing like that. You just have to go with the flow, and don't get too pressurized on making videos that are pro grade. You know, yeah, everyone's shooting with their 8K rate camera. They have nice intros. They have all this team of people to do B-rolls and walk behind them. I have nobody. I'm all alone. Look at that. I have nobody to shoot for me. You know, I do everything myself. I have to fly a drone and try to shoot it at the same time and not crash it. I mean, it's just part of life. So just, if you really feel like you want to be doing something, to create something, go ahead. Don't be afraid. Just keep on trying. You never know, 2 years later, you have so many subscribers, you have so many videos unedited. You never know. So again, thanks everyone. Just a quick one. 2 years, and there's more videos to come. I have so many stuff to unbox and review. And latest one that just came was hmmm sent me a gimbal for mobile phone, and you can use it for an action camera as well. So, and I have 2 more laptops to unbox, and that's it. Hopefully the borders will open up and I'll be able to go back to Singapore to shoot some videos from Singapore side, and things will get better, and hope everyone is safe and have a good time, even though it's kind of tough now, but things will get better. Cross fingers, and do subscribe for my other videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you again, and don't be afraid. Just keep on trying. Bye. See you. Have a nice day.